Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up a tick chart in Tradingview. Open your chart, click the interval menu, type the number of ticks, and press enter to apply the tick interval. Use smaller ticks for scalp trading and larger ticks for swing setups. Keep the layout simple, save the custom interval as a template, and confirm your broker symbol matches the chart symbol to avoid mismatched data. To customize appearance, switch to your preferred chart type and pick high contrast colors for candles and wicks to reduce eye strain. Add volume and a trade size overlay to observe which ticks carry real participation. Save a custom theme so you can reload these settings instantly across symbols. Finally, lock your price scale and set reasonable zoom so each tick shows meaningful action without cluttering the view. Add indicators like a short EMA, a longer EMA, and VWAP to gauge trend and value during fast tick moves. Combine with an RSI or momentum tool to avoid false breakouts on low-volume ticks. Create alerts for specific price levels or indicator crossovers so you get notified without watching constantly. Test alerts on a demo symbol first and adjust sensitivity to match the tick interval you use most often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.